You served this country, put everything on the line, and spent months or years away from the people you love most. But when you come home and try to give your family a place of their own, you are met with landlord rent hikes, rising costs, banks making you feel like homeownership is an impossible hill to climb. That ends today. The sacrifice you made earned you the single greatest home buying program on the planet, and it is time you finally use it. I'm Duane Buziak, your mortgage broker at My House Mortgage. First, VA loans require zero down payment. You do not need tens of thousands of dollars saved up to hand over your family the keys to their forever home. Second, there is no monthly mortgage insurance. Unlike other home loans that charge you extra fees every single month, the VA loan keeps money in your pocket where it belongs. Third, guidelines are vastly more lenient on credit scores and past financial bumps. The system was created specifically to help military families build lasting generational wealth, not to shut you out. Picture walking through your front porch, watching your kids run across a backyard that actually belongs to you, knowing no landlord can ever raise your rent or tell you to leave again. You've earned the peace of mind that comes with owning your own home. If you are active duty, a veteran, or a surviving spouse, comment VA below. And let's honor your service by getting your family into a home. Subscribe now, because next week we are exposing the truth about FHA loans and credit scores.